So we want to solve this equation in the range 0 to 360. Now remember that the cosine of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b, and that the sine of a minus b is sine a cos b take away cos a sine b. So what we get here is 3 cos theta cos 60 take away sine theta sine 60 is equal to 4 sine theta cos 30 take away cos theta sine 30. Now cos 60 is a half, so we get half cos theta here. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2, so we get root 3 over 2 sine theta. And cos 30 is root 3 over 2, so we're going to get root 3 over 2 sine theta, and sine 30 is a half, so we've got a half cos theta, and so this is 3 over 2 cos theta, take away 3 root 3 over 2 sine theta is equal to 2 root 3 sine theta, take away 2 cos theta, and I want to get rid of the fractions. I'm going to multiply right through by 2, so I've got 3 cos theta, take away 3 root 3 sine theta is equal to 4 root 3 sine theta, take away 4 cos theta. Bring all the cos thetas over to the left, and I've got 7 cos thetas, and take away or take all of the sine thetas across to the right, and then I end up with 7 root 3 sine theta. Cancel the 7s, and cos theta is root 3 sine theta. Divide both sides by cos theta, and I've got 1 is equal to root 3 tan theta, which gives me that tan theta is 1 over root 3. Now, that's one of our standard angles. So we know the principal value for that is that theta is 30 degrees. And it's a tangent, and it was positive. So one of them is there, and the other one, the secondary value, would be here. So if we're going from 0 to 360, the first solution is 30. The second one is 180 add 30. And then we don't get any more solutions as we go around. So we're going to have theta is 30 degrees or 210 degrees.